Okay, in this brief demo, I'm going to talk about taking over a property, apartment property. Here's a little checklist. And so with this product is we have certain to-do items. And once again, there's accountability that's held over here on the right-hand side. So like complete due diligence, whatever due diligence you figure out, what you document, okay, we want to complete that. So we have within 30 days, before 30 days that is, and then as you can see right here, week out, what to do. Set up rent roll. Set up landscaping service account. Now, the apartment building that you may invest in may not use all these features, but they may use some. At least if you get just a couple things that you can utilize, it's going to help you. Now, the purpose is to have a roadmap. Now, of course, if you're working with a property management company, they will do this for you. But if you want to self-manage and take control of it, you got to know what to do, what to shoot for, what to aim for, what goal you're trying to strive for. So this is what some of the big boys do when they take over a big apartment building. As you can see, okay, after 3 weeks, what do you do? 4 weeks after, what do you do? So it's very minimal, not really intense, but if you get one good idea out of it, just like when you read a book, if you get one good idea out of a book, the book has served its purpose. Likewise, if you find one good thing over here in regards to what to do, it has served its purpose as well.